The invention of glass introduction. Look around you. Chances are, you'll see it everywhere. In your windows, your smartphone screen, your drinking glass, even the fiber optic cables that bring you this video. It's transparent, versatile, and deceptively simple. Welcome to History and Inventions, where we uncover the innovations that shaped our world. Today we're pouring into the incredible story of the invention of glass, how a seemingly fragile material, born from sand and fire, it became one of humanity's most transformative creations, with applications spanning from simple containers to the very fabric of modern technology. Chapter 1. The accidental discovery. Ancient origins. The exact moment glass was invented is lost to the sands of time, but legend has it that it was an accidental discovery. Ancient Roman historian Pliny the Elder recounted a tale of Phoenician merchants in Syria. Perhaps as early as 3500 BCE, they were said to have used blocks of natron, soda ash, to support cooking pots over a campfire on a sandy beach. The intense heat, combined with the sand and natron, melted the mixture, and as it cooled, a new, shiny, hard substance formed, glass. While likely a myth, it beautifully illustrates the basic ingredients: sand, silica, heat, and an alkali like soda ash or potash. Early actual glass finds are beads and small decorative objects from Mesopotamia and Egypt, dating back to around 2500 BCE, primarily used as a precious, non-porous material for luxury items. Chapter 2. Early crafting and decoration. Bronze Age. To Roman Empire. For centuries, glass remained a rare and highly prized material. Early glassmaking involved complex and slow processes like core forming, where molten glass was wrapped around a clay core to create small bottles, amulets, and beads. It was intricate work, reserved for the elite. The Roman Empire saw significant advancements. While they didn't invent glass, they perfected its production and expanded its uses. They mastered techniques like mosaic glass and casting. However, it was a breakthrough outside of Rome that truly revolutionized the industry. Glassblowing. Invented in the 1st century BCE in the Syro-Palestinian region, glassblowing allowed for the creation of thinner, more versatile, and rapidly produced glass vessels. This method drastically reduced costs and expanded the possibilities, leading to widespread use for containers and tableware across the Roman world. Chapter 3. Glass beyond containers. Medieval era in the Middle East. While Europe entered its dark ages, glassmaking thrived in the Islamic Golden Age. From the 8th to the 14th centuries, artisans and scientists in the Middle East refined glass techniques, making sophisticated vessels, elaborate mosque lamps, and even early lenses. They experimented with colors and optical properties. In medieval Europe, glass slowly regained prominence, primarily in stained glass windows for cathedrals. These dazzling light-filled masterpieces were more than just art. They were storytelling devices, teaching biblical narratives to a largely illiterate populace, fundamentally changing the aesthetics and illumination of sacred spaces. This period solidified glass's role beyond simple containers, showcasing its potential for intricate design and architectural beauty. Chapter 4. The Scientific and Optical Revolution. Renaissance. 18th century. The Renaissance and subsequent scientific revolution saw glass transform into a tool for understanding the universe. The invention of the eyeglass spectacles in Italy in the late 13th century was a game-changer, literally extending productive lifespans and democratizing reading for those with poor eyesight. But the true scientific leap came with the refinement of lenses. By the early 17th century, instruments like the telescope, attributed to Dutch spectacle makers, popularized by Galileo, and the microscope, pioneered by Zacharias Janssen and later refined by Antonie van Leeuwenhoek, began to reveal unseen worlds, both distant and microscopic. Glass was no longer just a container, it was an extension of human perception, unlocking new frontiers in astronomy, biology, and medicine. Chapter 5. Glass in the Industrial Age and Modern World. 19th century to present. The Industrial Revolution made glass mass-producible and ubiquitous. New methods, like the cylinder process and later the float glass process invented in the 20th century by Alistair Pilkington, allowed for the cheap and rapid manufacture of large, perfectly flat sheets of glass. This led to the age of skyscrapers, with glass facades, expansive window panes, and vast greenhouses. Beyond construction, glass found new applications. Light bulbs. Incandescent bulbs relied entirely on glass to enclose the filament. Fiber optics revolutionized communication, transmitting data as light signals through thin glass fibers, forming the backbone of the internet. Digital screens. From early CRTs to modern LCDs, OLEDs, and touchscreens, glass is the essential transparent interface for our devices. Scientific glassware, beakers, test tubes, and complex lab equipment underpin modern chemistry and biology. Space exploration. Telescopes, spacecraft components. Conclusion. From an accidental melt on a sandy beach to the intricate fibers carrying our digital lives, the invention of glass is a profound testament to how a single material can continually evolve and redefine human civilization. It brought light into our homes, extended our vision to the cosmos and the microscopic, preserved our food, and now it empowers our entire digital world. Glass is not just a material, it's a window to human progress. What's the most surprising use of glass you've encountered? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If this journey through the history of a transparent invention fascinated you, be sure to like this video. Subscribe to History and Inventions at History Inventions and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive.